the Nifty 50 index, the advanced decline is even Steven, which is a positive. Interglobe, Trent from the day's low seems to have done very well. In fact, gain from the day's low is nearly 3% on Trent, which is a fabulous move. And I think I want to talk to Kunal about this move because it's a very strong move. So that's a positive. When you're looking at some of the other gainers, there is HUL in the ranks, so is a Wipro, Infosys, and Asian Paints. All of those kind of stand out, but mild gains. Really, no major market moving gains on any of those counters. M&M down 2, the top loser, along with Aisha and ONGC. JSW Steel is the other laggard in trade today within the Nifty pack. When you're looking at sectors and, within sectors, auto was the big culprit, 1% lower on the Nifty auto index. Ashok Leyland was up 1.6% against all of the other peers within the auto pack. M&M, Aisha, Bajaj, Bosch were just some of the big losers, and we spoke about them because some of those names reflect on the Nifty 50 index as well. The Nifty Pharma was the other one, just mild losses. FMCG up more than 0.5%, PSU Banks up 0.5%. Nifty Midcap index, it traded in the red. It's in fact closed in the red, but there was a decent recovery there as well. Not a very strong recovery. The Nifty Small Cap, though, stood out 1/3% higher and spending a predominant part of the day in the green. So that one was really doing well. In terms of the market breadth, overall within the 500 basket, the market breadth was favorable, but largely even Steven, but favorable nonetheless. And that was the other positive because we started with the market breadth being deeply negative, and we've converted that to positive at some point of time during the day, and we've held on. So that's the key positive. BSE, AB Capital, HDFC, AMC, Motilal Oswal were just some of the losers within the Nifty 500 basket. Those were at least the losers within the financial pack. Praj, Rain, NBCC, Aarti Industries, Nuvoco Vistas were some of the gainers. KSB also up 4.6% odd. AI Engineering was the other one which did well. Eclerx, Fact, those were just some of the names. And PVR Inox on the back of the kind of blockbuster numbers that Dhurandhar is seeing. That one was also up 3.5% in trade. So doing fairly well for itself. Broadly, IT did well. Banks were okay. IT was up 1/3, as I did mention. So you saw a decent outing for most sectoral indices as well. Very strong recovery in the Nifty Realty Index as well is what we saw. Kunal, how would you assess the day overall? More positives than negatives, is that what you would call it? And how does that set us up for Tuesday, Nifty expiry?
So the start was a little iffy for the markets, you can say, but the end was very good for the index. It's good to see that the Nifty is closed flattish. But more importantly, we've seen good recovery across the market breadth. The last 3 Mondays when the markets have closed negative, Tuesdays has apparently been another somber day for the markets. I'll not say extremely negative, but it's been somber day. But then, those are the weeks where you see the intra-week rally for the Nifty, which means that in case if the markets open on a bit of a softer note tomorrow, I think that could probably throw in an opportunity to try and buy on dips from even an intra-week perspective trading.
Like you mentioned, after a moody Monday, we've seen a somber Tuesday, but Thursdays, something that we've been talking about for the last 2 weeks. Thursdays have been good. So let's see if this Thursday holds that kind of surprise for us this time as well. The Thursday BSE, the Sensex expiry that is. But on that note, we'll wrap it up on this edition of Closing Trades. From me, Harsh, and everybody who put this show together, thanks so much for tuning in. Stay tuned to ET Now for more news and updates.